Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.